In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on Booking.com. Let's start right on the Booking.com homepage. Look for the option that says List Your Property and click it. This takes you into the hosting setup. On the first screen, choose Create New Listing so you can start from scratch for this property rather than importing anything pre-existing. Next, you'll be asked what type of place you're listing. Select Apartment. That's what we'll use for this walkthrough. Right after that, you'll see a choice between listing one apartment or multiple apartments. Pick one apartment if you're offering a single, unique unit. Choose the multiple option if you manage several similar apartments at the same location and want them grouped together. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to move ahead and confirm again when prompted. You'll now see a question asking where else your property is listed. This helps Booking.com understand your distribution and can assist with setup recommendations. Select the appropriate option for you, Airbnb for example, then click Continue. If you're on other platforms, just pick the ones that apply. Now it's time to name your place. Enter a clear, descriptive property name. Think of something guests will immediately understand. A short name that hints at the type of apartment and its area works well. Avoid special characters and keep it readable. When you're happy with the name, click Continue. Next, enter your address. Carefully type in your street address, city, postal code, and country. Make sure everything matches official records so the map pin can locate you accurately. If Booking.com suggests an address format, confirm it aligns with your exact location. After reviewing the address details, click Continue. You'll see a question about channel managers. Select No, I won't be using a channel manager at this time if you're not connecting external software to sync rates and availability. You can always revisit this later if you start using a channel manager. Click Continue to proceed. From here, you'll enter your property details, add the number of bedrooms and beds, typical occupancy, and the exact sleeping arrangements. Fill in any requested amenities or features so guests know what to expect. Continue through the form, providing accurate information wherever prompted. Keep clicking Continue. And completing the fields until you reach the end of this setup section. That's it. Your core listing framework is in place, and you're well on your way to welcoming your first guests on Booking.com.